Hi, I'm Roger Groh with Grow Asset Management. Today we're here to talk about how you can make money without a job. What do you do when you have no money and it's Christmas time and you need cash today? Well, there are a couple of ways that you can do that which will benefit you because you get paid immediately. Number one, go to Craigslist in your local town. It's Craigslist.org. And if you scan around in there, under the jobs part, there are very short-term temporary jobs where people are looking for help today. And that's a wonderful way to employ your talents. A lot of them are physical. Maybe you're moving, maybe you're building, maybe you're fixing, maybe you're gardening. But at least it's cash available while you look for a more permanent situation. There are also jobs for temporary computer people in there, meaning if you've been laid off and you're a computer programmer, well, there are companies which need help for a day or two or three to write code, and you can find them on Craigslist. There are other companies that look for help writing, physically writing documents or brochures, and frequently they advertise too. So Craigslist would be one place to go. Number two, there's a company called Labor Ready, which provides labor services to the construction businesses in cities within at least the United States. Perhaps they're outside, I don't know. But you go into one of their offices and you sign up, and then you show up. And if somebody happened to demand a laborer and you're standing there in line, they pick you, and you get paid fast. Is it that day? I don't know. Is it the next day? Probably. Something like that, but you get paid very quickly. And that's another quick way that you can generate cash. The third way would be more interesting, perhaps. Have you ever sold things through eBay? Have you ever considered building a business through eBay? Well, go to ebay.com. And in there, they will tell you how to do it. eBay will tell you how to build a business around eBay. So you've got time, you've got a computer, you can build your business around eBay, and you can continue to look for a more permanent situation. That's another way that you can very quickly make money. So I'm Roger Groh, and those are some ways that you can quickly generate cash without a job.